Welcome guys, back to another video. My name is SamHTech, and in this video I'll be teaching you how to unlock your bootloader for XIAOMI devices. This video is for beginners, so if you don't know much about bootloaders, custom ROMs and all of that, this video is for you. Make sure to like and subscribe and check out my other videos, and also before we start I just want to say that do this at your own risk. There is a chance that you will run into a boot loop or other things will go wrong. And if you're on this video because you've heard that that you need to unlock your bootloader to get a custom ROM but don't know what a bootloader is, I'll leave a link in the description describing sort of what a bootloader is so you get a bigger understanding. If you have any questions or issues when doing this, feel free to drop a comment or use the XDA forum website. They have some really good answers to questions on that website, or just Google it because lots of people probably have the same issue and they share it online. But anyway, let's get into the video. So the first thing that you want to do is go onto your phone, scroll to the search bar and then search up backup. This, you don't have to do it if everything's backed up online or you've already got it backed up, but if you want to back it up then you can. So you just press you type up backup and reset, local backups, type in your password, which I'm just doing now, and then you want to press backup. I've already got a backup done so I won't do it, but yeah, you just press backup and it backs it up to your phone. The next thing you want to do is go back onto settings, then go on about phone and spam MIUI version, so press that a ton until it says you are now a developer. So I'm now a developer. So now So now you want to go into additional settings and then developer options. So tap on developer options and then turn OEM unlocking on, like so. So just press that, and then I think you need to confirm your password, so I'll do that now. Okay, so now OEM unlocking should be on. So you want to just press enable if you get this pop up. And then this is probably the final thing you need to do is turn on USB debugging, which is also in developer options, the page that we were just on. Okay, the next thing you want to do is Google XIAOMI unlock on your PC. You might be able to do this on a Mac, I don't know though, I think it's just PC. But yeah, so just type up XIAOMI unlock, go onto the first website, and it used to make you wait for 2 weeks until you could install the program, but now for me, you don't need to wait, so you can just press unlock now, then press download me unlock, and it just downloads it without having to ask you anything or go for any process. So once it's downloaded, you want to go into downloads, drag it onto your desktop, so now it should be on your desktop over there, and then plug in your phone to your PC or laptop. So plug it in like so, and it's taking me a second, but yeah, as you can see, it's now plugged in. So it's now plugged in, so now I can put the backup onto my computer. You can just leave it on your phone, but if you want to put it on your computer, then you can do that. So go onto Redmi 7 or whatever your device is called. It should appear in File Explorer. Then go onto internal shared storage. Then go on to scroll down until you find, wait for it, I'm just trying to find it, which one is it? Until you find MIUI, so yeah, MIUI over here. And then go into backup, so double click on that. And the backup should appear, so yeah, backup, and then just drag it onto your desktop. You don't need to tap on backup, you just drag it straight onto your desktop, and then it might take a minute to copy it. And as you can see, we've now got these two files. These are the two files you need for unlocking it. Or you don't necessarily need the backup one, but it's just good to have it. So yeah, now you want to tap on the me flash unlock zip file and then press extract to. So hit that, and then you can leave it at the default one and then press OK, and it should appear on your desktop next to where the original file was, or not next to it actually, but yeah, it should appear there. And because we've now got that file, we can delete the zip file by right-clicking on it and pressing delete. And now we have this me flash unlock. So we double tap on that, and then go into you want to go onto me flash unlock.exe. Right-click on it, and then press, I think it is run as administrator, yes, over here, and then press yes on this page. And this is perfectly safe. This is from the official XIAOMI website, so it's fine. Disclaimer: you want to agree to that. You can read it through if you want, and then sign into your Me account. So so once you're signed into your Me account, you want to go onto your phone, hold down the power button, power it off. So now it is powered off. Now you want to press the volume, I think it's the volume down button and the power button, and hold them down until you get a buzz. So you might get a buzz, and then it says fast boot. So you should be in the screen now. And once you are in this screen, you want to go back onto your computer and plug your phone back in. Then it says phone connected. So yeah, you have to connect your phone. And just a warning, this will erase all your data, but as you know, you've got backup, and you should have a few things like your photos and stuff backed up to the cloud. Then you want to press unlock anyway. It prompts you twice because it makes you, it just confirms that you're sure about it. So unlock anyway, and now there should be a process. So this will go. So if it doesn't work, if it doesn't go to 100%, and you have a problem like this, what you want to do is go onto settings on your phone, go on about phone, go onto MIUI version, tap that a few times until it says you are now a developer. Go back on settings and onto additional settings, developer options, me unlock status, tap add account and device, and then it should say added successfully. And go back to the start of the tutorial, do it all again, and it should reach 100% and say unlock successfully. So then if it says something like this, connect to the network and try again. Then you want to go on Me account, you want to press sign out and choose whichever one of these you want, sign back into it, try again, and it should add successfully. And then go back to the start of the tutorial, like I said, and unlock should reach 100% and it should unlock successfully, like it says here. Then you want to press reboot phone. Once it's rebooted, so you just want to press that, and it will eventually, your phone will eventually reboot, like so. Then you want to sign back in. It'll ask you to sign back in and all of that, because your phone's basically reset. Then you want to go on About Phone. Then you want to tap on MIUI version a few times until it says you're now a developer. Then you want to scroll down until you find Additional Settings, and then go even further until it says Developer Options. So you want to tap on Developer Options. Then go on Me Unlock Status, tap on that, and it should say your device is unlocked. So now you have successfully unlocked your device, which is great, and yeah, that is the whole tutorial. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.